This is a Krabby Patty. I found it in a dirt hole. Never had it before, but the pickle looks very very pickle-like. Honestly, I think it's like, it looks so much, it's like very convincingly a Krabby Patty. I was expecting it to just be like a rebranded hamburger.
And this came from the hole in the ground?
Yeah, I got it like right there. Appearance-wise, it's like 10 out of 10. But now I have to try it.
Right.
Well, it's pretty similar to like a generic hamburger candy.
And oh, they're having an interaction.
They're having an erection?
Okay, so here's how you make a budget-friendly DIY centipede house. First, you put the centipedes in there with the dirt, and then I guess you like get it wet. And then you put the minion kind of in like the center left of the bucket, and then Nemo is actually gonna go kind of on the front right side. Okay, and then for the umbrellas, what you're gonna want to do is you would get a yellow one and probably put that in there.
Ah, he's escaping!
Alright, and then you're gonna want to sculpt kind of a phallic shape out of a purple Play-Doh.
This is our frog that got caught in the Inquisition. As you can see, he's been restrained, but he's okay with it.
Yeah, he's happy.
He's fine. Like, look at that face.
Okay, so then you're gonna take your crucified frog and just put him on the side there. And if your friend happened to major in film, you should tell him he's doing a bad job.
What the fuck? I thought you majored in film.
I can make it super cinematic.
Alright, so then you're gonna heat up your spoon or shovel.
Oh shit.
Whoa, why'd you do that?
It's okay, it's like a hole.
So now that you have a lid with a hole in it for air, you put the lid on, and here it is. Check out this budget-friendly Dollar Tree centipede.
Oh my god, he's using it. They love it.
Put that on that beat. Nope.
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him free, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, follow, and smash that bell icon.